The Higher Education Commission and the government of Pakistan are aiming to provide opportunities for students from Bangladesh to come and study in Pakistan. HEC in the last 23 years of its inception has worked to increase access to its own students, improve the quality of its education, and also provide relevant research in the areas that affect us socially and economically. So we are now mashallah, we consider that we are capable now of offering that quality education to students of other countries, and now we extend this hospitality and this opportunity to students from Bangladesh. Of course, the new world is, we are bombarded with information so much that it is difficult to even assimilate it till the new update comes. But this opportunity is actually for 500 scholarships for Bangladeshi students to study in the top universities of Pakistan. And we are here today, we are showcasing 20 of them. We have 20 universities, some of the best. Most of them are the best. There's LUMS, there's Khyber Medical University, there's Liaquat Medical University at the stall where you see me right now. There is Dow Medical University. So these are the best for medical education. Then we have NED, that is for engineering. We have FAST over there. So what we've actually done is there's a representation of all the disciplines that are being offered for these scholarships, and we hope to draw and attract these students so that this culture, this exchange will not only be knowledge of that subject, it will be a cultural exchange, it will be a fostering of future collaborations, a hope for the future, and understanding what the new world is. The youth is similar, but learning languages, learning culture, that is also a very important part of an education. Well, obviously, since we're offering these scholarships, we think that it will be useful for the Bangladeshi students to apply for them, and obviously they are capable. At this point, we have 74 of your students studying in Pakistan. And what I hear from the universities, they are doing very well. And they are so interested that they have actually, some people have come and shared with us that this expo was shared with them through those people who are in Pakistan. Now, that happened just a few months ago. So that means that they are feeling at home there. They're studying well. Obviously, the BS classes it's not an easy thing to cope with, but they are coping. They are really doing well, but it is competitive. It is very hard work. So there's no confusion about that. It's hard work.